download and install Skyrim or Skyrim Special Edition. Head over to Google or your selected search browser. Type in Nexus Mods. Click on Nexus Mods and Community at nexusmods.com. When you arrive on the page, head over to register and create an account if you have not done so. Creating a standard account is free. Just follow these simple steps. Enter your chosen email address. Once you have done that, go to your email as a verification has been sent that will provide you your code. Enter your code. Create a username. This will be the name of your Nexus Mods account. Create a password. We suggest using at least one capital letter and at least one number. You do not have to select the first option, but you have to select the second option. Here you have the option to subscribe and receive the following privileges, but we're going to select the free basic standard option. There you have it. You have successfully created a free Nexus Mods account. Now, head over to Skyrim Special Edition. Click the search bar and begin to type Mod Organiser 2. As soon as you type the first word, mod, it shall appear. Click it. As soon as you arrive on the page, or any page on Nexus Mods, you will be greeted with a description, and most important, the requirements tab. Always check the requirements, in case you need any third-party mods or installation, such as SKSE. Manually download the installer. As our account is free, we will select slow download. This doesn't take long. This will appear every time you download something off Nexus Mods. As soon as your download is complete, click or open it. Some computers may get a Windows pop-up. Select yes. Now, the license agreement. Like most games or applications, select I accept and select next. Mod Organiser 2 will create a modding folder automatically. Select next. Everything looks good. Select next. You can choose to have a start menu folder. Select Next. Create a desktop shortcut, as you will have to run the game from here. Select Next and Install. With Launch Mod Organiser ticked, select Finish and give it a couple seconds to load. When loaded, it will say choose instance with the following options: New, Portable, Manage Instances. We are going to select Portable, as this keeps everything in one place. Now select your game you wish to mod, in our case Skyrim Special Edition. If it is not shown, browse for it. Your game directory folder are usually located in Steam, Steam Apps, Common. Mod Organiser 2 will ask us if you'd like a tutorial. We are going to say no, as we are your tutorial. Welcome to Mod Organiser 2. We are now going to connect our Nexus Mods account to Mod Organiser 2. Select Settings, pictured as a tool icon. As you see, our account is not connected. Simply click Connect to Nexus. This will bring you to Nexus Mods page. You'll even be signed in, or you'll have to sign in again. Select Authorize. Now Mod Organiser 2 is fully connected. Close the page and return to Mod Organiser 2. Your account should be connected. Now click Associate with Download with Manager links. This allows you to download any mods from Nexus Mods straight to Mod Organiser 2. Select OK and restart. Now, let's download a mod. Head over to the planet icon and click it. This will take you to Nexus Mods and the correct page for your game. Here you can download any mod of your choosing, but we are going to download unofficial Skyrim Special Edition patch. If you want to know more about it, read the description. As you see, no requirements needed. Head to the files, click Download with Manager. And click Slow Download if your account is free. Head back to Mod Organiser 2. Click the Downloads tab and there's your mod. When your download is complete, double click it and always select Manual. Skip the tips. This will only appear once and is not needed. Every time you click Manual on a mod, always make sure the words looks good are there. If the words looks good is not there and something like this appears, don't worry. Right click on a file and click Set Data Directory. At the bottom it should now say looks good. Click OK to add it to your load order. Tick the box of your mod you wish to enable. And remember, every time you wish to play a game with mods, you have to open Mod Organiser 2 and run it from here.